Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Children, today we'll be learning the sound of letter X. The sound for this letter is X. X. So let's see some of the words that begin with this sound X. X is for Xmas tree. Xmas tree. X is for X-ray. X-ray. X as in box. B-O-X, box. X as in fox. F-O-X, fox. So these were some of the words that begin with the sound X. Let's go through them once again. X is for Xmas tree. Xmas tree. X is for X-ray. X-ray. X as in B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. X as in fox. F-O-X, fox. F-O-X, fox. Now turn to page number 25 of your picture book. X is for Xmas tree. X is for X-ray. You will not do the other two pictures that are crossed out. Hope you all like the video. Please practice. Thank you.